Good afternoon, students. Today's topic is one of the physical properties of drug molecule dipole moment. In this section, you will discuss about introduction to dipole moment, measurement of dipole moments, and applications of dipole moment in pharmacy. What is polar molecule? In polar molecules, due to uneven distribution of electrons in a molecule, two poles are separated. These two poles are having two type of charges, positive charge and negative charge. The poles are separated due to uneven distribution of electrons. The polar molecule having two type of charges, positive and negative charges. The two charges are separated by uneven distribution of electrons. By observing the water molecules, two type of charges are separated, positive and negative charges. Dipolar molecules. Dipolar molecule as one in which the region of positive and negative charges are separated due to uneven distribution of electrons in a molecule. By observing the hydrochloric acid, it will contain two type of charged molecules, positive charged molecules and negative charged molecules. The positive charged molecule is hydrogen ion and negative charged molecule is chlorine. The charges separated. Two oppositely charged molecules are separated. The dipole moment has magnitude and direction. The dipole moment is occurs between moved from positive side to the negative side. Next one, this is the sum of the molecules having dipole moment. The dipole moment of ammonia is 1.46 d. The dipole moment of water is 1.84 d. Dipole moment of hydronium ion or molecular hydrogen is 1.86 d. By observing the water, the positive dipole moment is occurs between positive ions to the negative ions. In water, positive ions are hydrogen and negative ions are oxygen. So while observing ammonia, nitrogen is a negative charge molecule and hydrogen is a positive charge molecule. When movement of dipoles occurs from hydrogen to the nitrogen. By observing the molecular hydrogen, hydrogen is having positive charge, chlorine is having negative charge. The dipole moment occurs from hydrogen to the chlorine. The movement can be given in arrow marks. By observing the arrow mark, you will observe the movement of poles from positive side to the negative side. By observing the ammonium compound, a molecule having both positive charged and negative charged reagents. The dipole moments occurs from positive charge to the nitrogen. Measurement of dipole moment. The dipole moment can be measured by using following formula. Dipole moment mu is equal to Q into R. Q means charge reagents, plus means positive charge and Q minus means negative charge. R means distance between two charged reagents. It means the movement of positive charged molecules from negative charged movement. It can be expressed in R. So by clearly observing the following diagram, we will calculate the dipole moment. dipole moment mu is equal to q into r. Q means separated charge, r means distance between the two charged molecules. By observing the following type of molecules, you will observe the dipole moment values. Dipole moment indicates the relationship between two polarities of a molecule. A molecule may contains many number of bonds. Each bond is considered as separately, and finally total it is necessary to include bonds with lone pair of electrons also. Then net dipole moment is established. By observing the following diagrams, you will calculate the dipole moment. Nitrogen oxide, oxygen and carbon dioxide and sulfur trifluoride. In this following diagram, observing, you will calculate the dipole moment for each and every bond. After you will total the each and every dipole moment in between bonds, and total can be calculated. Next one, units for dipole moment. The SI unit of dipole moment is coulombs per coulomb meter. In CGS systems, dipole moment unit is debye. 1 debye unit is equal to 3.336 into 10 to the power of minus 30 coulomb meter. Applications of dipole moment. Dipole moment play an important role in pharmacy, in solubility of drugs, crystal nature, observing drug receptor interactions, therapeutic activity of drugs, identify the chemical structure of drugs. Solubility of drugs. When solute is mixed with a suitable solvent, their solubility can be increases. The most commonly used solvent is water. Water having permanent dipoles. These are used to enhance the solubility of a drugs. Crystal nature of drugs. Dipole moment play an important role in study the crystal nature of a drugs. Dipole moment contribute the orientation of molecules in a solution. It will further converted into solutions. Same thing happened in the crystal nature. In solution form, dipole moment contribute the structure. The same structure is continue to the crystal formation. Examples: ice crystal. To study the interactions between the drug and receptors, dipole moment also used. The therapeutic activity of drug can be mainly depending on dipole moments. The permanent dipole moments can be correlated with the biological activity. Example: DDT. It is insecticidal agent. These can be available in 3 isomers. While observing the dipole moment values, you will decide the therapeutic activity. These DDT can be available in 3 isomers: para isomer, meta isomer and ortho isomer. The para isomer is having dipole moment 1.10 D. This is less water soluble and more liquid soluble. Next one, meta isomer is having dipole moment value is 1.55 D, intermediate water soluble and intermediate lipid soluble. The third isomer of DDT is Orthoisomer having 1.90 D. This is more water soluble and less liquid soluble. Insecticides are having lipidoidal membrane, so the drug is insecticidal agent having high lipid soluble. They are having more toxic effects to the insecticide. While observing the three isomers, the first isomer, para isomer, is having less dipole moment and also having high lipid nature. By using para isomer having high insecticidal activity, this activity can occurs due to dipole moment. Next one, chemical structure of drugs. Dipole moment play important role in identify the chemical structure of drugs, decide the ionic nature of bond, identify the shape of the molecule, identify the shape and bond angle, decide the arrangement of groups, identify geometric isomers, determination of polarity of drugs. Hydrochloric acid. The complete ionization of hydrochloric acid having 6.605 D dielectric constant. By conducting experiment, if the value is given or obtained in less than 6.605 D, it indicates hydrochloric acid is not completely ionized. By this procedure, you will decide the ionic nature of the bond. Next one, identify the shape of the molecule. By observing the following diagrams or structures, you will determine the shape of the molecule. If the compound is having planar or symmetrical nature, they are having zero dipole moment. If the molecule is having asymmetric or non-planar, they are having value is not equal to 0. So the first compound is carbon dioxide. They are having planar or symmetrical, so their value is 0. Next one, another compound planar. Next one, CCl4 also having symmetrical, so their value is 0. And also another compound symmetrical. Next one, identify the shape and bond angle. Dipole moment play important role in determination of shape and bond angle. For water, dipole moment is 1.85 degree, so the bond angle is 1.45 degrees centigrade degrees only. By observing the diagram, you will calculate the shape and bond angle. Next one, identifying the arrangement of molecules. Dipole moment play important role in identify the arrangement of molecules in a structure. You will determine the symmetric nature, linear nature, and also determine the shape: linear, planar, tetrahedral structure, symmetrical, octahedral, planar, hexagonally symmetrical. These type of arrangements can be determined by using dipole moment. Next, another one, molecular hydrogen is having symmetrical nature, so the dipole moment is 0. Another molecular bromide also having symmetrical nature, their dipole moment is 0. Another molecule also having symmetrical, so their dipole moment value is 0. The compound is symmetrical or planar, their dipole moment is 0. Another compound, carbon tetrachloride, they are symmetrical in nature, so they are having dipole moment is 0. Identify the geometric isomers. Dipole moment is also play an important role in. By using dipole moment, you will determine the cis and trans isomers of compounds. Example: 1,2-dichloroethylene can be available in two forms, cis form and trans form. Where dipole moments, while observing the dipole moments, cis form is having 1.89, trans form is having 1.35. So whereas moment of corresponding trans isomer is 0. Next one, another example is 1,2-dichloroethane, trans isomer having 0 dipole moment, cis isomer is having 1.89d. Bond moment cancel out in trans position but do not cancel in cis form. So dipole moment is observed in cis form of 1,2-dichloroethane. In trans form, bond moment can be cancels. Another example, and also having same example, it can be explained in detail. So dipole moment play an important role in determination of polarity of drug. In polarity of drugs, dipole moment also play an important role. By using dipole moment, you will determine the polarity of the nature. The compound is having polar or non-polar in nature. As dipole moment is equal to Q into D. The greater the magnitude of dipole moment, higher the polarity of the bond. It means the compound which is having higher the dipole moment having high polarity in nature. For non-polar compound, the dipole moment value is near to 0 or 0. So these are the various applications of dipole moment. The relationship between concentration, dielectric constant, polarizability can be given by using Clausius-Mossetti equation. Clausius-Mossetti equation can be expressed by using following equation: epsilon minus 1 divided by epsilon plus 2 is equal to 4 by 3 pi n alpha rho. The above equation, n is the number of molecules per unit volume. The total polarization is sum of induced molar polarization and temporary polarization. So P is equal to Pi plus Po. Pi means induced molar polarization, Po means temporary polarization. Pi is equal to 0, P naught is equal to 0. So by including molar polarization, equation can be multiplied with m by p on both sides. You will observe the following diagram: epsilon minus 1 by epsilon plus 2 is equal to 4 by 3 into pi n m on np by rho. A condition in which electric field strength of the condenser V by m is equal to unity. Pi represents the induced molar polarization. Thank you.